So, what is the court of arbitration for sport and why it is important in Vinesh Phogat's case? Following her disqualifications from competing for the 50 kg freestyle wrestling title at the 2024 Paris Olympic due to being overweight by a mere 100 grams. Not only Vinesh Phogat, the whole nation has been grappling with shock and disbelief. Despite adhering to a rigorous training regimen and strict diet, a slight miscalculation in weight had resulted in the missed opportunity to showcase her skills on the global platform. Nevertheless, she has taken the proactive step of appealing to the Court of Arbitration for Sport to review her case and potentially secure the silver medal she rightfully deserves. So आइए जानते हैं, let us know what is Court of Arbitration for Sports. So the Court of Arbitration for Sports, that is CAS, is an estimate international body established in 1984 with the primary purpose of resolving disputes related to sports through arbitration. Headquartered in Switzerland, the CAS operates autonomously from any sports organization with jurisdiction over disputes involving athletes, coaches, and sports federations. The court is widely recognized as the ultimate authority for settling sports-related conflict and upholding the fundamental principles of fair play and justice in sports. So इस recent case में विनेश फोगट ने उन्होंने सबमिट किया अपील टू द कोर्ट ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन फॉर सीकिंग परमिशन टू compete for a gold medal, और उस in that event that her appeal is granted. She has also requested और उन्होंने साथ में ये भी रिक्वेस्ट डाली है कि उनको सिल्वर मेडल दिया जाए. Court's role is crucial in maintaining fairness, integrity, transparency in sports. By offering a neutral and impartial platform for dispute resolution, the CAS helps to protect the right of all parties involved and contributes to the overall development of the sports world. CAS ruling carry the same legal weight as decisions made by traditional courts, emphasizing the binding nature of its rulings. In addition to arbitration, the CAS offers mediation services as an alternative dispute resolution mechanism, that is ADR, to accommodate the unique demands of major sporting events such as the Olympic and Commonwealth Games. The CAS establishes temporary tribunals with tailored procedures rules. This approach ensures efficient and effective dispute resolution within the specific context of these conditions. Thank you.